Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today, we've got a little bit going on in the quilt shop. You'll see one customer quilt with stitched out with fancy fish and some shells on the border. I think you should be able to see some of that as well. And then I have two charity ones. This is also for the Salvation Charities. I have a few more to do. There was more actually than I thought, but that's okay, no big deal. And it's dogs, very cute. And it's actually, there was it's quite a good size. I think it was 60 by 76 or 66 by 76, and I just put leaves on it, and it has very nice brown backing. I think it looks very lovely, and here's hoping they like it too. So that was one for them, and I just, like I said, just stitched it out with leaves or edge to edge for their charity quilt. And then this one, as I was doing some tidying up and organizing, I came across this one, and I know it's from one of you lovely fans, so thank you very much. And I thought, well, how could I maybe make this just a little bit bigger? Because it is supposed to be a kid quilt, but I'm like, we can make this a little bit bigger. So I've added a polar fleece backing, no batting, just the backing to this project. And then because it actually has a sealed edge all the way around, it's been serged, and I'm actually going to fold the top and the bottom up and stitch along when it's all finished. Isn't that nice? And it kind of bulks it out just a little bit by giving a nice tan frame. So I didn't add any batting because I don't think it really needs it. It might have been a little bit too thick at that point in time. And this is a great use of these blankets, these polar fleece blankets that you can usually get for about $5 to $10. Go ahead and put it to the back of a quilt, no problem at all. So I have a fun stitch out here that matches the border and the sashing here, some chevrons. So let's see that get started here. Start quilt. There we go. Put it way up in the corner. And I just chose a nice little complementary thread to go with it. And it's just going to work its way back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, till, and it's just going to come back from here. So this stitch out actually does it once and does 2 rows. So I'll have to roll it, obviously, to finish the last of this little bit here. And that's it. So I am only stitching in the quilt top itself. I'm not going into where I'm going to be flipping the backing over to the front and stitching it down. But no, it looks nice, and we could definitely reuse and recycle and reduce. So it doesn't always have to be batting. Okay? I've used a thinner polar fleece that was only like fluffy on one side. This is actually fluffy on both sides as a layer of batting for a quilt, and I also had a cotton backing on the back of that too. So, and that turned out nice too. Lofty, very pretty, a little heavy, but it still was a very nice quilt. I have this very appropriate because it's got Be Mine for Valentine's Day, which is in a couple of days, so happy Valentine's Day to everybody. And I love yous, hugs and kisses, be my Valentine, be mine, very cute. So it's got like some heart shapes here. There are obviously teddy bears and bunny rabbits here, butterflies here, dogs here, minions here, and sea critters and starfish and stuff. So, almost Nemo, isn't it? See how it just kind of went this? Did like a little, and it'll just kind of frame as it's going back and forth. And in no time at all, you have an awesome quilt for someone. It could be for anybody. Yeah, I like the doggies. They're super cute. This one lounging out on the beach. What's it say? Pups Cola? That's cute. All right, so that's how that's going to finish up. Did watch a little bit of the footage, and then of course there's 2 others. You can watch a bit of the leaf stitch out, and then the one with the fancy fishes. And that was a customer quilt, and she was very happy with that. I'd show you, but it's already gone. She took it home already. Have an amazing Wednesday, everybody. Thank you very much for liking and subscribing and checking us out. Our webpage at www.wesewit.com and CA. Happy to see you there. Thank you very much. Appreciate it, and we will see you soon.